Welcome back to another video, y'all. If you have never clicked on one of my videos before or seen my face like you see right now, my name is Olivia, and thank you for clicking on this video so much. And if you're returning, hey boo. But as y'all can tell by the title and the thumbnail, we are getting into a fall cozy night in, but this is the Halloween edition, so I wanted to give y'all a realistic view of how my weeknights go, because I'm trying to romanticize my weeknights and not just be so upset that I have to go to work the next morning. So this is a Thursday evening. I decided to do this on Thursday because Friday is the next day, but this is just a realistic view of me packing up, leaving from work, which is my favorite part of the day, and I do work at 9 to 5, so it's currently right here in this clip about 5 o'clock. I'm just coming to my car, putting all my stuff in, and yeah, y'all know the drill, how you be happy when you get off of work. Like, you don't want to be an employee no more, you just want to be yourself. So I'm just getting ready to go, finna crank up the car and head home. So this particular night for my fall night in, I wanted to make a homemade pizza. So what I did, avoiding having to go to the store after work, I did a grocery order around like 9 o'clock this same morning. I just picked that up. So now I'm at the house, which is my favorite part. I'm gonna keep saying that a lot of things is my favorite part of the day, but I am at the house, and then I'm just, putting all my stuff down. Excuse the bad lighting right here, y'all. I didn't have my lighting, but after I get home from work every single day, I always have to go to the bathroom, relieve my bladder from the day, and then like I said, I'm gonna say my favorite part. Everything about being home is my favorite part. So when I keep saying my favorite part, but that's just what that means. But just getting relaxed. As you can see, I done changed into some more comfy clothes, and like I have to light every single candle that I own. Like in this one are like the fall scents, so I'm just lighting my candles. This is the first way that I decompress, and then I'm just going on YouTube to find some fall ambiance, because this is like a fireplace going. Now, I live in Georgia, and it's completely not cold yet, but it just gives me the feeling that I live in the north and that it's real cozy outside. So I just plugged up my speaker, and then I'm getting me a glass of wine. I don't do too much on the weeknights because I do wake up at 5 a.m. and go to the gym, but this is just something to relieve the stress from the day. And this is just like a basic wine. This is like a Pinot Grigio or something like that. But now I'm about to get into making dinner. And if you haven't watched my productive fitness vlog, go watch that. So right now I am not eating bread, pasta, sweets, any kind of carbs. Like, I'm not totally keto right now, but I just tried to cut back on the carbs. So I found this chickpea vegan and gluten-free pizza that I picked up from Walmart in my grocery order. So I'm going to make this because, like I said, I was craving a homemade pizza, but I did not want to do the bread. And y'all, this actually turned out fire. I'll talk about this some more in a minute. So I am not a marinara sauce type girly, as y'all saw in those previous clips. So on my pizza, and do not knock it till you try it, looks disgusting, but on my pizza I put pesto and ranch. So if you never had pesto, it's like another kind of like pasta sauce, and it gives kind of like, it's almost kind of like Alfredo, but not. But anyway, just try it if you haven't tried it. But on my pizza, I put the pesto sauce and ranch as the base, and I put some shredded mozzarella, and then I did some of the other type of mozzarella, the sun-dried tomatoes, and I'll pick back up on that. But this is just me while my pizza is cooking, just cleaning out my lunchbox from the day and putting up some of the dishes, and just continue to unwind and relax. And I just kicked my feet up while my pizza was continuing to cook. And then now, so these cookies that I ordered, now don't get on me because I know we were talking about sweets and stuff like that, but the cookies, these are only like 110 calories per two cookies, and the serving size is pretty good. So I just went ahead and popped in my cookies, and then I popped in my cookies, and then my pizza came out looking good. So like I said, I got banana peppers, I got bacon bits, I got chicken. Like, this pizza was so easy, y'all. Like, all I did was assemble it. Like, literally, like, it took no effort at all. Yeah, my pizza was fire. So y'all go try that crust if you're interested. But then I turned on Hocus Pocus, the second one, and y'all, I actually really enjoyed this movie. Like, it was really funny. Then it had some of the themes from the old, like from the first original one in it. So if y'all haven't watched that, the spooky season, go watch it. But now I'm just decompressing even more, and I'm putting on my diffuser. Please invest in a diffuser, y'all. Like, it's a game changer for how you sleep and, like, just purifying the air. But I'm just putting up my hair a little bit better because now we're about to get into some self-care. And then I'm putting on this little headband, and then we're lighting some more candles. This is from Target. This is the soft cashmere and lavender, and like, this candle is definitely like completely a fall vibe. But this is the bath and self-care time, or self alone time, that I did not know I needed. Like, I felt so rejuvenated and just so much better about my life after I finished this bath, y'all. So I just poured in some Dr. Teal's. I can't remember, the clip went off, but I poured in both of the little, like, the Epsom salt, and then some of the bubble bath, and then I brought my candle in here. Then I turned off the lights. But like I said, this is the bath and self needed time that I did not know that I needed. Like, I felt so much better after this whole little ordeal. And then, of course, we don't want to soak in our own soak in our own dirt. So I just went ahead and took a shower after that, and now I'm just moisturizing. I'm mixing in some Nivea lotion with a little bit of baby oil, because my skin be dry, especially around this time of the year. Like, so I be having to put in like that extra moisture. And I'm wrapping up the night with a face mask. This is very good for my skin. Like, I have to do this probably like one time a week. But just wrapping up the night with a face mask. And y'all, this is my little jam out session. I don't know what song I was listening to, but apparently I was really feeling it. But washing off my face mask, and like, my skin just feels so much more better after this. And then I'm going in with some of I'm patting my face dry first, and then I'm gonna I forgot the name of this product, but like, kind of like it's like a toner, I want to say. I think it's like witch hazel or something like that. And then going in with my CeraVe night cleanser. There's a night version and an AM version, so I do the night version. And then, of course, I said my skin be dry, so I'm just sealing that all in with a little bit of Vaseline and patting that into my face. So I'm done with skincare and body care now. I'm really, really ready to get in the bed and rub my feet together. But we cannot end the night without spending some time with the Lord. So I just got my devotional, and of course it's spooky season, so I just kind of let this play as I fall asleep. And then as I get sleepy, I go ahead and turn it off. But thank y'all so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.